Hey campers, in this video we take you along for a ride with us in the canoe down to Center Harbor, which is in Brooklin, Maine. Brooklin Boatyard specializes in world-class boat builds that have a classic look to them, so we wanted to go check it out. We heard there's lots of pretty cool boats there, so we decided to pack up his canoe and take it out into the ocean, and you're going to come along with us. Towards the end of the video, I'll share a few updates about some upcoming videos we plan to release, but enough of that for right now. Let's go look at some boats. I'm with my brother-in-law, Adam, and we are getting ready to go out here. I guess they call this is the Gulf of Maine, basically.
I think this is actually Eggemoggin Reach.
Eggemoggin Reach, so right out there is Gulf of Maine. Somewhere out there, or is it this way?
That is northwest, and out that way we'll go around here and then we'll head out, and that is towards the Gulf of Maine.
Okay.
Yeah. So our goal is to paddle about 2.5 miles out to Center Harbor, and Center Harbor I think has all kinds of really cool looking wooden boats and whatnot.
It's made with what kind of wood?
The Guillemot Micro Bootlegger, designed by Nick Shoddy. Kits can be found on Chesapeake Lightcraft. Western red cedar with some maple highlights, fiberglass and epoxy inside and out. Yeah, it's got its share of scratches, which is
It's been used, but you built this, you said 2008 or somewhere?
2009 and 10, I think, if I recall.
Yeah, I think.
About 7 months.
I know.
The flagpole isn't in the plans. I added that myself.
I love it. It's absolutely awesome. And I've been down riverways with him. Gosh, Grand Tetons. We went out in your kayaks and canoe.
Jackson Lake and Grand Teton.
Jackson Lake. that was a little bit different kind of a video for us. Let me know if you like those kind of videos, and if you don't, that's okay too. Stay tuned for some upcoming videos. One of them we're thinking about doing is of our new bike rack. We've been traveling with a bike rack on the back that holds up to 4 bikes, but haven't really been too happy with it because it beats up our bikes. We travel with a bike rack on the front tongue jack, which carries 2 bikes, another one on the rear. We really appreciate you stopping by to watch our videos. It means a lot to us. If you like this video, please do give it a like and subscribe. That helps us out. See you next time. Bye.